Are you stressed, overworked, or struggling to wind down at night? Let's face it, modern life doesn't just demand your time, it demands your sanity. That's where Therabody's Smart Goggle lineup steps in, offering an innovative way to crush stress, relieve eye strain, and improve your sleep. But which one is the smarter buy? The Smart Goggle 1st Gen or the upgraded Smart Goggle 2nd Gen? Stay tuned to find out which one might better suit your needs. When it comes to personal relaxation and eye care products, the Therabody SmartGoggles series offers impressive features. Let's start with design and build quality. Both products are similar in that they are made with high-quality materials. Also, both are foldable and portable, making them an excellent travel companion. However, the Therabody SmartGoggles 2nd Gen is redesigned to be lighter, quieter, and more comfortable than ever. Discover the detailed features of these products by clicking on the links in the description. You'll be amazed by their unique features. The 2nd Gen possesses 3 new features for deeper relaxation. The total blackout design is a game changer. It blocks 100% of light to help create the perfect environment for deep relaxation. Contoured cushioning allows free eye movement without pressure. Curved adjustable strap comfortably curves around the ears for a snug, gentle fit on every face shape. The 1st Gen has 3 science-backed treatments. The Smart Relax mode is a natural way to provide anxiety relief night and day. Its biometric sensor analyzes your pulse and customizes vibration patterns to lower the heart rate. Focus mode combines features of a heated eye mask and face massager in an effort to release tension between the eyebrows and relieve eye strain, a must-have for work from home essentials. Sleep mode is a safe, natural way to help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. A gentle massage delivers slow-wave vibrations to the temples, clinically proven to promote sleepiness. The 2nd Gen also has 3 science-backed treatments to choose from. Smart Relax treatment uses a biometric sensor for personalized relaxation. This eye massager acts as a facial massager and relief product in one, gently lowering heart rate. Heated eye mask provides tension, headache relief. Compression massage, heat, and vibration on forehead, eyebrows, and temples help relax, reduce stress, ease eye strain, and prepare for better sleep. Let's talk about battery life. Whilst the 1st Gen has a 120 minutes battery life, 180 minutes of battery life on the 2nd Gen keeps you relaxed longer than your Netflix binge. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate links in the description. The 1st Gen allows you to connect to the Theramind app for the ultimate multisensory sound therapy experience. Similarly, with the 2nd Gen, you can access free Theramind audio via Therabody app for relaxing music or white noise for sleeping. Both products provide solid value in their respective price ranges. The 1st Gen model is great for casual use and travel, while the 2nd Gen model justifies its higher cost with superior comfort, customization, and battery life. Ultimately, your choice depends on how much value you place on features like personalization, blackout comfort, and battery longevity. Here's the bottom line, folks. The Therabody SmartGoggle 1st and 2nd Gen are both top contenders. The 1st Gen Smart Goggle, solid choice for reliable, portable relaxation. The 2nd Gen, it's bringing the heavy artillery, quick relief, customizable treatments, blackout design. Sure, it might cost a bit more, but you get what you pay for. So, what's it going to be? Classic and reliable or enhanced and comprehensive? The choice is yours. Don't miss the opportunity to buy the 1st or 2nd Gen now. Click on the link in the description to place your order.